Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called What is the Difference Between a Remodel and a Refresh? Picture this. Your kitchen or bathroom is starting to show its age like those jeans from the 90s you've kept for sentimental reasons. You know something's got to change, but the question is, do you need a remodel or just a refresh? Let's break it down so you know which path to take to jazz up your space without tossing the baby out with the bathwater. First up, a refresh. This is like your home's version of a spa day. Think face masks, but for countertops. A refresh involves updating the existing style with surface level improvements. We're talking about painting the walls, updating cabinet hardware, maybe even swapping out fixtures for a quick and effective facelift. It's less invasive and generally kinder to the wallet, like swapping out sweatpants for yoga pants. New look, same comfort. On the other hand, a remodel is the home's version of a total makeover, the kind that dives deep into the bones of your house. This involves more drastic changes, knocking down walls, altering layouts, and tackling major plumbing or electrical revamps. It's essentially pulling a phoenix and rising from the ashes. If a refresh is a new paint job, a remodel is a whole new engine under the hood. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Now I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Whether you choose to refresh or remodel, make sure your contractor understands your goals and expectations. The wrong choice can turn your journey from Cinderella story to a Brothers Grimm fairy tale, and nobody wants that. Deciding between a refresh and a remodel depends on your goals and budget. If you're looking for a quick, cost-effective way to update dingy spaces or boost your home's appeal for impending market debut, a refresh might just do the trick. Small changes can work wonders when you're on a schedule or a budget. For those dreaming big or tackling structural issues, where changing the layout changes the life, remodeling is your jam. It's the full orchestra, not just a solo. Yes, it's a bigger investment, but the payoff is a space that perfectly fits your vision. So, whether you decide to refresh or remodel, the end goal is the same: a home that delights, functions, and stands as a testament to your style and needs. Choose the path that aligns with your dreams and see your space transformed. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.